No matter how well made, no crash dummy acts exactly like a human volunteer. That's why these German tests were particularly valuable to scientists studying whiplash. Another series of tests produced even more dramatic results. Researchers wanted to prove the effectiveness of seatbelts under actual conditions. The only safety equipment used in any of these tests was the one routinely installed in almost all cars: seatbelts. The evidence provided by these tests is conclusive. Seatbelts save lives. All you have to do is use them.